Same, mind you.
Always waiting.
We are back! No photos on our faces, no photos on our faces. Yeah. So yeah. Hi. Here's the look.
Nisha, introduce our t-shirt.
Oh yeah, so guys, if you've seen on the Facebook page, we're on about merch coming soon. So what we've been doing behind the scenes here at Black Bee Productions, we've been working on our t-shirts. And so this one, as you've heard me say, wow! So yeah, obviously you can order these like now. And this one that I was wearing, what's you say? Is all part of Black Bee Productions Daisy 512 range. So yeah, just hit us up, you know what I'm saying, on Facebook and wherever. Just throw us a message. Oh yeah, and just so you know, nobody can copy anything that we've done. Do you know why? Because we're trademarked.
Yes,
merchants.
we are.
Yeah. We are trademarked. So if you see my t-shirts, I see you rocking them. Bad times. Yeah. You know what I mean?
Hey, we will sue your ass.
We're sorted, fam. Like, we got this stuff done.
Yes, we're doing everything properly. Now I'm gonna show you some food. Alright, so we've got Corey go.
Go on, sister. We're boning as well.
Bone. You gotta have the bone. Oh, did I say it?
Why are you putting this old bottle of Tabasco?
So we've got chicken.
You carry on.
So, and then we've got yam and green bananas. You've got to love that, man. Seriously. We have plantain. And okra. So I'm going to eat one of these while Misha. And guess what? I didn't do any eggs today because I don't need none of those shenanigans.
Did you say you eat okra?
I did.
No,
Misha, it's absolutely delish.
It's a big thing on the telly, you know. I think you. Oh yeah.
So I'm just going to put a bit of salt on that. But I'm not going to. Then, Misha's got the Tabasco out.
You know what I'm saying? We've got a cocktail as well.
So it's all about the Jamaican today. It's all about the Jamaican. So what we're going to do, we're going to eat first while Misha's telling you what in munches. Just let me just take my napkin really go.
She's so excited. Anyway. So yeah.
Oh, God, she's so extra.
I am extra. Before we go on any further, obviously today the world has received the sad news that Miss Cicely Tyson, I think that's her name, right? Yeah. Cicely Tyson passed away. As you know, obviously we've done loads of videos on black influencers, people that have helped black people as a people get to where we want to be in life. And obviously she, Miss Tyson, is one of the icons, that has helped the world, helped black people as a people get to where they are. Do you know what I mean? Like,
and that's what we're doing. We're rising, and we're going to rise even further. So yeah, we just obviously.
We'd like to say, rest in peace. Rest in paradise.
Rest in paradise, because you were absolutely phenomenal, beautiful, and everything that we aspire to be.
And as you said, when you said in an interview, and you said when you want people to remember you by, you just said that you done your best.
Yeah.
And you did.
Yeah.
You excelled. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, respect.
Rest in peace, darling. Right, shall we eat now, sweetness?
Let's eat. I think you're just giving me bare bone, actually.
Yeah, but that's why you're supposed to eat it, Misha. Look at the, watch it now. Nah, I'm going to try this first. So, Corey, go, watch it now.
Plantain. A bit stuck there.
It's a bit aggressive.
Mine's a lot. Just so you know how soft this actually is. Is that nice? This, look.
No.
Hold on. It's hot though, you know?
It's a bristle, isn't it?
It's just hot, look, watch. What's about now? Mom! I just... The middle of the bone.
It's okay now.
Nice.
I just took that bone, Misha.
The middle bit, yeah. I can't do that.
Why? That's where the goodness is, man.
What's this?
So, like, on this, obviously you get gristle on goat.
It's soft though still. It's good, Mum. They're good. They're really good.
Delicious one now, isn't it? Sorry. I finished it.
Innit?
I've got a whole dirty pot full of them.
Hey. Don't know, get to know.
Oh, do you want any?
No, I don't have any butter for. I'm just gonna dip it, cut a thick slice. Do you want some? Good. So, anyway, okay. That's how you have your own bread.
I swear to God, right?
Everything.
You cannot beat Jamaican food, Misha. I'm sorry, but you can't. What's some? I didn't hear what you said. Alright, I'm gonna have a bit of green banana. Now, everybody, this is a speciality thing.
You reckon? To be fair, I don't like green banana. But I do.
Taste it. Oh my god.
Hang on, it's all
Green banana. Violet. Really delicious, Misha. Isn't it?
But my favourite, plantain.
Everybody loves
You want
plantain.
food makes one dance? Oh.
What?
Oh.
Right. All this bloody food is sweet.
Oh, my chicken as well.
Shut about the fingers, but you're just digging in, aren't we, kid?
I'm not really about my fingers. My blood. So.
Misha, you should eat these because I swear down, yeah, they're not as sloppy as they normally are. Look.
Right, you see that bit when we fall off?
It's nice, Mish. Chicken fun.
Brain's clean, though, you know.
I cooked it myself. Because Misha was busy today doing t-shirts and stuff like that, weren't you?
It work today.
You're busy doing t-shirts, Misha.
Okay, but that's also at work. Don't tap me. You're allowed to be at work. Why anyone says nothing?
Okay. Yeah, that's what I mean, you're at work doing t-shirts.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, you know what I mean? So, what was I going to say to you? So I prepared all this. Well, you've seen it. So they'll see all the laid out bit. You're going to show all that bit anyway, aren't you? Yeah?
Might do. It is
So
alright.
I waited. I know. I had breakfast this morning and I waited for this evening. Because,
Yeah.
the chicken just melts in your mouth, man.
My chicken's gone already.
Was it? You've got plenty in that dish, kid.
Anyway. Oh my god. Wait. So.
You said? At this moment, I'm quite asleep. And the food can't go down my throat quick enough, to be honest.
Feels good. Right. Bang. Remember. Sorry. Obviously, you know.
It's nice, Misha.
We discussed things that we're going to do for our videos for you guys. And so this week, what we decided, we're going to play a little game. So, it's basically finish the lyric. Right? So each going to go in turns.
Right now, I want to finish my food.
Oh yeah. What, 10, 11 songs, haven't we?
Yeah.
Each.
Yeah.
That we're gonna sing. Well, I might speak more because I'm eating. So, are you ready, Evan? I take it I'm going first because you're busy yamming.
No. Oh, fuck. Did you think it was going to come out as gummies? You should have better.
Sold
Your
yourself.
mum.
Huh?
Are you mama?
Well,
The trick is always marinate your food and leave it for 2 longer hours, 24 even. Yeah, and nothing else sweet so.
do you know? Goat with a bone.
It's the best, isn't it?
Honestly, I didn't. Did you ever cut my mouth then? On a level.
I don't know what Sammy said.
I don't mean either. I'm trying to do a video,
I
but.
know. Oh my days.
So, anyway. The game.
Look, watch it. We had a visitor a minute ago. David.
What?
We could smell him.
Did he? Right. So, game.
Oh my god. My mouth feels like it's in heaven. I feel like I'm in heaven, not just remote to God.
I keep saying so, and then everybody.
Yeah, I can't
look
be so
down.
sorry.
I know, I look down and there's food.
I know.
Wow.
Sorry, darling.
Anyway, so yeah, game. I can't. Look.
Nice to meet you.
Right now I'm actually playing. So.
Okay.
Oh wow, I got it on my top. That isn't okay.
Yeah, but these are our tops. We're going to make new ones with the new cards.
Obviously. Anyway, do you want to go first or I go first? What? Me to you?
I'll go first,
Right? What, so me do it to you? So me say the lyric first? What?
Yes.
Okay. Right, so
So just all up my voice.
first one. I'm not singing it. I'm singing it. Whoa. Oh, whoa. Oh, whoa. Excuse me, bang my bars. Mysterious girl.
I want to get close to you. Yeah.
Ding!
I think I did that song for you as well, actually.
No, you didn't.
I swear.
Yeah.
Imagine there's no heaven.
It's easy if you try.
That didn't sound right.
Imagine there's no heaven. It's Imagine by John Lennon, but I don't know the lyrics. So I got that right, so like you.
Yeah, okay.
Imagine.
Yeah, but can you sing it rather than say, please?
No,
Go on, next
not
one.
like you. Lean on me.
When you're not strong.
What? Sister!
Okay.
Got them.
I'm singing in the rain.
I'm singing in the rain. While the Lord feels feeling I'm soaking wet again. They left me umbrella in the house. I may look like a drone most. I'm singing in the rain.
And he wanted the next verse.
Oh, sorry. Next line, actually. Okay. So I got bread in my mouth, but like you. I'm every woman. It's all in. Oh shit, I was only meant to say I'm every woman.
It's all in me.
Anything you want done, baby. Hey,
I do it naturally. Oh, 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 oh.
Right, you got that one.
Okay. Memories
Like the corners of my mind.
misty watercolor memories like the way
We were.
Go on.
Okay.
That's funny, bro.
You're not gonna know this one.
Probably not.
Threw away your love letters. I thought it made me
Sad, but I wasn't. I didn't give a shit
No,
because I didn't love you
No.
anyway.
No, that's fine.
I got
I
that.
thought it made me feel better.
Oh. Okay.
Session 32 by Summer Walker.
Oh, the single ladies.
That's it.
Go on.
Those are mine.
Yeah, just right. Go on.
All the single ladies. All the single ladies. Sorry, I'm going to go. All the single ladies. All the single ladies. All the single ladies.
And put your hands up.
Up in the club and just woke up. Doing my own little thing. Hey, decided to drip. What? Now you wanna? What? Now you wanna notice me? Not on me. Don't pay him any attention. Come on, that's me in there.
Yeah. Ooh.
Okay. Next one. Wait. Let me have a sip of my drink.
Yeah, me too.
Wet up my throat. Ready? Can we talk for a minute?
'Cause I need to know your name.
I'll give you that, but it's close. Can we talk for a minute? 'Cause I want
To know your name.
I think I'm just doing our
Send it to
melody
me.
there. What's this for?
Send me your name, babe. You know you
Don't
want.
say nothing.
I joke me around. Go on.
Do you okay?
Oh, it's my go. Okay. I thought sometime alone. Can I
I'm putting these on my list.
Okay, because, wait. So me and Misha, we wrote our list separately, but me and Misha are like this. We think the same. So I'm gonna do it again, right? Because she just spoiled my jam. If I feel
Sorry. Alright, bring me past.
I thought sometime alone
Was what we really needed. You said this time would hurt more than it helps, but I couldn't see that. I thought it was the end of a beautiful story.
What is it properly? You got a bad voice, you idiot.
I ain't got a bad voice, right?
Go on then, next.
So I got that right, yeah?
Eh?
I got that right there. Excuse me.
You got it
Right,
right.
I know
yeah.
that. It's Leaf from Jurassic, what's this now? Sweets for my sweet.
Sugar for my honey.
Yes, go on, sister, go on then.
Okay. By the rivers of
Babylon.
Wow,
Hey.
where we sat
down.
Oh, yeah. Where we went. Oh, sorry. Hurry up.
Right, anyway. It's extra, you know. Okay, next one. Come on over, baby.
Come on over, darling.
Mum, she adds her own words in there. But she's right, still.
Okay. Oh, it's my go. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What was a fish like what? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wrap it up.
I let it go again. Why? Why you let it go?
Because it bite my finger.
It bites too. Which finger
did it
bite what?
this little finger on my right. Yeah. Do you know what I mean? She did. I used to sing that to you when you was a kid.
I know you did. It's my favorite. It's not my favorite instrument. Okay. Cause I'm taking it step by step. Come on now.
Bit by bit.
Big body. Now, woo, woo.
Step by step.
Okay, we
It's
got
like
that.
that Whitney at all. But anyway. The first time. Wait. Let me do my line.
Okay.
First time ever I saw your face.
About the sun rose in your eyes. I thought it was the moon and the stars.
Okay. I knew, but I was going to say noodle store.
She's making more own words.
Yeah, what's this? When
my
I first
guy.
Yeah. Go on.
It's just another sad
love song, lock in my brain.
Stop making her own words again. But she's right.
Oh, dear.
Oh, yeah.
Gimme.
Can you put that in?
Gimme.
A man after midnight.
Guys, gimme all your love. That's
give me all your loving.
I picked that song because of my husband.
Give me all your loving.
We didn't like it.
I like it.
John, just what it is.
See, again, though. Right, my go.
Okay.
When.
Do it again.
I love how you're going to get a tune off when. I know. Wait, let me pause. When
you left me.
No,
I broke down.
No, that's not even a song, you just made it up.
Okay, do the second one.
When Jesus say yes.
Nobody can say no.
When Jesus say yes.
Nobody can say no.
When Jesus say yes. Nobody can say no.
When Jesus say yes. Nobody can say no.
Hey.
I'm not worried. Wait. About a thing. What?
Cause I know you are
guiding me. What?
That's enough.
Then we will go.
That's enough, cut.
Cause we know that you're in control.
You're gay.
Misha, I did Miss Serious Girl, but you would have done it.
Alright, I'm not sure, yeah. One more.
Go on then. I know, okay. My first love.
What's up?
And you are actually my, John, you're my one. Go on. But anyway, excuse me. My first love.
Is it there's only you in my life, the only thing that's right.
Wow, you're so beautiful, Mish.
Yeah,
and
Mom's back, it's your name. It's my turn now.
I want to.
It's endless love. Go. I got one more.
Okay. You're gonna make it up, aren't you?
Yeah, yes.
John! Oh shit.
Brown girl in the ring.
Tra la 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 la.
There you go, John.
There's a brown girl in the ring.
Tra la 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 la.
Brown girl in the ring. Break it up. Make sure you can't even rap.
Oh, one more, and this is it, yeah?
Okay.
No.
My name is Mishi.
Me strictly black, you see. The club what me go to Cardi.
Belfry.
The club drink what me drink here is very milky.
Man, pardon, darling, call him.
E.T.
I mean, it's pissed on my hair.
Oh, guys, we've had the best time ever. I hope you have.
I'm sorry, some of them sound absolutely terrible. Some of them don't sound too bad.
I'm sorry. Yeah, but it doesn't matter. We're just having fun anyway. And that, we don't care.
I don't want to hate. I appreciate. No,
yeah, we don't care. We're just having fun, and that's what life's all about. I hope that you're having fun wherever you are. And remember, next time, come on, eat with us. We're going to go live maybe in the next couple of weeks. And then when we do, we'll shout out to everybody.
Yeah, guys. Yeah, we're going live.
So we're going to say, Aya.
See ya.
Bye. You twat.
excited about your Instagram. No, so no, the other one was. But one I mentioned. I love the one.